Does your phone feel slow, laggy, or just not as smooth as it used to be? You open an app, it hesitates. You swipe, there's a slight delay, and suddenly your phone feels old. Most people think this means only one thing: I need a new phone. Or worse, they start installing random booster or cleaner apps that promise instant speed. But here's the truth. In many cases, your phone isn't actually slow, it's just pretending to be. Before you upgrade your phone or install anything, there's a hidden setting that can make your phone feel noticeably faster, and it doesn't require downloading a single app. The secret isn't hardware, it's animation. On Android phones, animations are used everywhere. When you open apps, when you switch screens, when you move through menus, these animations look smooth and stylish. But they also add tiny delays. Those delays stack up, and over time, they make your phone feel slower than it really is. Here's how to fix that. First, open Settings. Scroll down and go to About Phone. Now look for build number. Tap it repeatedly, usually about 7 times, until you see a message saying developer options are enabled. Don't worry, you're not doing anything dangerous. Now go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. By default, all of them are set to 1x. This means full animation speed. Change each one to 0.5x. Or if you want maximum speed, turn them off completely. What happens next is simple but powerful. Your phone stops wasting time on fancy visual effects. Apps open faster. Menus respond instantly. Swiping feels snappier. Your phone feels smoother, even though the hardware hasn't changed at all. This trick works especially well on older phones, mid-range Android devices, phones that feel slow but aren't actually broken. And the best part? This does not damage your phone. It does not harm battery life. And you can revert everything back anytime with one tap. So if your phone feels slow, laggy, or outdated, try this first. It's one of the safest, simplest, and most effective tweaks you can make today. For more practical phone tips that actually work, check out other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.